Right then, so we've got we found our material. So we've got dust shield here and dust shield here as well. So you can see we've got just the front cab really, which is in this little area. Now it's not perfect, there's little gaps everywhere, here and there and everywhere else, so we're going to get a little bit of dust around, but it's got to be better. And if you look over there, I'm just going to show you this a little bit. You can see filler, so there's some filler on that footwell that we're going to have to take up. So all I'm going to do, I'm just going to go around the bits with the grinder. Where is the grinder? It's at the end of that lead, wherever that is. Yeah, just go back, take it back to metal in the places where it looks a bit crappy. Well, hopefully take it back to metal anyway, see what metal we've got to weld to. Okay, so I'm going to crack on, do a little bit, and I'll come back to you shortly. Dust mask, goggles, overalls, nicely covered up. Let's do it. Sorted. This ought to do it, hey? Let's get on and do something. Right then. Excuse me. Yeah, we knew it was coming. We've got serious escalation now, I'm afraid to say. Now, my plan was to do everything at the front end all in one go, as in write down a list of what needs doing and then work my way through it. I've got too much welding now to think, because I've got to do brakes and all sorts of things on it as well. So everything else is going to have to wait now, and I've got to do the welding that I can see first, I think. And then it'll be more manageable for me. Okay, so what have we got? Oh, this step here, full of filler. So this has got to be replaced. I think this will be a patch-up job, to be fair, so I think I'll be able to patch this one up, fine. Couple of little holes around here, patch up again. Floor pan on this side, not too bad at all. So nothing wrong with it as such, a little bit of surface corrosion. But I'm going to clean it all off and I'll just paint the whole lot of that. So no welding on the floor pan on this side. Little holes up here, again, patch up. Little plates on top of that. This bit here is all rusty. I think I'll have to replace that section. There's some holes, or rather some bits that need doing at the back there, but I'm going to leave those until we go inside the van. Okay, they're getting a bit too close to material for me to do it at the moment. Okay, so we can ignore those for the time being. Battery tray looks okay. Let's go around the other side. Oh, front panel. Oh, disaster. Full of filler. And it's in a really awkward place to try and clear it out, so I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with that yet. God darn it. God darn it. This side is worse. Can it get worse? Oh yes it can. Okay, we saw this yesterday, didn't we? This is absolutely... I'm not going to swear. Yes I am, it's fucked. New step, floor pan, full of filler. Now I've cleaned it up and you can see sort of where, I'll tell you what's dust everywhere, let's have a look. I've got good metal from here, around here, and back around here, and back around the side here again. Okay, and that's where my good metal is. So I'm not sure about that, whether or not it's I'm not sure about that. I might, not sure. But I've got to do something with it, that's for sure. Over here you can see this is all gone down this side, and again a bit of the back again, but this is the same as the other side, so we're going to leave that, ignore that, pretend that's not there for the time being, and we'll worry about that when we go backwards. You okay? So battery looks okay, or rather battery tray there looks okay. This is buggered here, so we've got to replace this as a section, I think. And over here, if you look there, we've got that there. But this is just going to be a patch up. So a lot of this I'm just going to weld little plates on. But some of it is a bit more serious than plates, I think. I'm not sure about this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to price up like a floor pan and some steps and see how much they actually cost, or see whether or not I want to patch this, make all of this stuff myself. Okay. Okay. Yeah, front. Oh, it's bloody annoying. So I really don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. I've got to do something with it, that's for sure. But I'm struggling just to get the old crap out. I don't know if I told you before, but I really hate bodywork. Really don't like it. Always been rubbish at it. On the plus side, oh no, there is no plus side. Darn it.